Can't do it with both hands. Here we go. So we're heading into Dartmoor now, Fernworthy Forest, with Bikes and Bushcraft. Nathan, my man, he drove. We're going to do a hammock camp and hammock tarp and a campfire. He's brought a leg of lamb. He's going for it. I'm going to cook a chicken curry. But the weather. Hello, Nath. Yeah, nice day for it again. Always. Heat wave all week. Weekends this. We'll be alright. We can handle it. You didn't see it, but Ali just stacked it on that fence over there. So that's what I'm filming now. I'm hoping to get it again. Now he's going to get me. Pressure's on.
Here we go, I made it across. Do we get a blooper? Or is it just a boring walk across a few rocks?
I got this, I got this.
Look, it's looking like it's just a boy. He's not, oh, he is across now.
There it is. It's where we're going to camp tonight. In there. We've found where we're going to set up with these 3 trees here. It's starting to rain now, so enough's enough. We've walked a long way today, so we're going to set tarps up now, get a bit of shelter. Happy. So I finally got my hammock up. I'm just cutting some wood, and we are going to get a fire on. Nathan's going to go get the rocks. Here's Nathan's set up. So he's going to get some rocks, got a little fire here. And cut the wood. We just, dead tree we took down. God, I'm knackered. It's getting later now. Getting hungry. So yeah, chucking it down the rain. So yeah, get this ready, get a fire going. And start cooking some food. Alright, there's only left. Huh? Is there any more? Couple. Look at that, bone dry. We'll split that down. Even in this wet weather, we'll get a fire going.
Basically ready to light it, isn't it?
Yeah, man. There we do. We got fire.
The wind direction.
Yeah, it's actually going. Fire in the rain. I have fire! Hey! Fire! Watch the craftsman at his work. I'm really pleased with that. It's really chucking it down. We had to split all the logs. It's nice and dry in the middle, and I had some cotton buds with the Vaseline on. And because there's no other, like, what's the word? The kindling, the fine stuff. Everything's too soaking wet, so we had to do a feather stick, and it worked. We got fire in the rain. Everything's soaking wet, we still did it. Come and check out my humble abode. Under blanket. Well, I suppose the first thing, get them coals glowing and then get your lamb on. Beautiful.
Torch on looking that way, you create a massive shadow where your hand is.
So if I do that,
No, don't do that.
don't do that,
Off there.
like that. Hi.
Because then you're shining your face. Hold it behind it, you create a great big shadow over your face.
Like that.
Yeah, so then you've got a massive hand shadow over your chops.
There you go. This is Nathan, Bikes and Bushcraft. I'll put a link in the description. He's going to show me how to do that as well. He showed me everything else. Cool. This is really cosy. There's the fire going over there, look. I'm so cosy under here. I've checked with my setup and there's no leaks as such yet. Look. I've got my tree hugger here and it is dripping off. It's dripping there quite well, so which is stopping it running down here. There's nothing, I'm dry. It's working. It is working. Same this side. It's just dripping. Oh, you see that? It's just dripping off of them. So it doesn't run down. If it does get down, then it runs down here. But it's dry. I'm dry. I hope you see that then. But this is the life. I am so cosy under here. Nathan's just cooking his lamb now, slow cooking that. When he's done that, he's going to do some potatoes. So when he's done his potatoes, I'll quickly cook my curry, a little chicken curry. This is going to be perfect, so I'm going to sleep so well. Right, I'll look out there. There was a bit of a faff setting this up, set it up wrong, had to move it. And I found it and I'm really happy with this. It's just a bit, it's all learning, isn't it? It's all practice and learning. I've used this tarp and hammock a few times, not a lot. This was the first time setting it up in the rain. And it's right. It's right. Hammock camping in the rain. Brilliant. Nathan's cooking his leg of lamb slowly now. He needs to do those potatoes. I'll put some rice. We have a nice little feast. Got a couple of beers. It's been a long hike in, so it's nice to chill now. It's all set up. Long hike in and a bit of mucking around, getting the setup right. Because it's not every day I set this tarp up, and you forget your knots, you forget things. So it's a case, there's no signal out here to like Google how do you do that again. You just got to try and get your head around it, and I've done it finally. And it's rewarding. because I am snug as a bug in a rug. Nathan had a tick walking up his leg today. Caught it before it bit him. I haven't checked myself yet, I'll probably check myself tomorrow, but bound to get a few ticks. We walked all through the grass. This is brilliant. This is brilliant. Just cutting some more wood down there, look. Just cutting some more wood. These here, these keep twisting, but I'm not quite sure on this because I don't want the water running down and it runs down here. I am a little bit wet there on the other side, so but it all runs, water runs down, but then it runs down here, so this one's dry. I'm alright, yeah, this is dry, this one. Christy, can't do it with both hands.
You want me to film it?
Yeah.
I can hold it.
Hold that. Just show that and then move it over to that.
Do you want to show?
Show yours and then move it to that. That's it. There you go, so I've cooked a chicken biryani. I don't know if it looks very appetizing, but it tastes fantastic and I am starving. So chicken biryani. It don't look much, but it tastes fantastic. On that fire. It's lovely. Yeah. There we go. Chicken biryani. Yum yum. That's what I'm drinking. What's it? A Vocation Special Edition. Oh, bloody shadow of my head. Angles. There you go. Sweet Temptation Chocolate Caramel 6.6. It's very nice. That's what we're drinking with the curry. Bit of a mix. Morning. I slept like a log. Yes. Oh. Oh, sun's shining. The sun is shining. Morning. Morning. Oh. Yeah, that's lovely, that. Right, let's get some breakfast on the go. Bacon. Oh, I had a night terror last night and I thought someone was trying to get into my hammock and I screamed. Nathan thought it was a deer or something. It was just me having a nightmare. screamed out loud in the middle of the night. I actually thought someone was getting into my hammock, someone was trying to attack me. So weird. I felt something grab my chest as well. It was just a dream. Oh, here we are. Here we are, here we are. It rained all night. Well, it stopped raining about an hour ago, I think, didn't it?
Yeah.
What have we got? Yeah, it's 10 to 8. Oh.
Charge the GoPro while we just chill. Yeah, my bag's wet. My bag's wet. It's been on the floor and it was slightly damp. And obviously all night it's been so wet. But then you think you only need to be in the sun for 20 minutes. Be in the sun for 20 minutes and it'll dry. I mind you, the sun's going to be in our face. Yeah, it was very
Waking
damp
up in nature.
Like when I went to bed, you could just see it, and it's just on your breath. It was super damp.
There you go, that's where I stayed. All packed up, and then just tidied the fire up, look. Leave no trace, people. Leave no trace. Right, all done. We're back in the van now. Had a bit of a slog getting back. I have a habit of keep turning right, and then went the wrong way again. But we've managed to get back. Missed the stone circles, but it don't matter. But yeah, we're back. Brilliant camp in the rain. First time heavy rain under a tarp, and it was really cozy. Slept really well, apart from my little night terror. So yeah, we're back now. Get this bag off, have some food, go home. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Mwah.